Tell me pretty lies.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Jokes and Chapstick. It's your friend from the past, Eva. While you're watching this video, you're like, why is she here? I'm here telling you to subscribe and tap on the notification button. And if you're back for more unboxing shenanigans for the second time, you should do everything that you were supposed to do the first time, like and subscribe and comment, and do more. You should watch all of their videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. Whether you're returning or this is your first time, I ask that you do three things. 1, sit back. 2, relax. 3, enjoy. I am doing a trunk club today. I haven't gotten trunk club since June, so it's been almost 5 months. So I'm really excited to see what it is that they picked out since we're now into the fall, winter, preparation for clothes. I'm not going to do an unboxing on screen because it would be too many items and take too long. So we're just going to go ahead and head into the try-on. So I will see you on the other side. So we start with these high-waisted pants from City Chic. I like the print. It was a really thin flowy material, and it had this really cute rope belt around the waist. Now, I like these pants a lot, but they did not fit. A lot of people say that they think City Chic runs big. I think they run small. These pants had no stretch in them, so there was no way this was going to happen without me busting some seams somewhere. Overall, they weren't bad pants, but I just don't know that even with a bigger size, I would really reach for them very often. So I asked my stylist to send me some comfy, cozy items, and she sent me this crop sweatshirt from Nike. This top is super crop. I have a pretty short torso, so I can't imagine how short it would be on someone with a maybe longer torso. You can see it says Nike there kind of faintly. It's a fleecy type material. This was really warm and cozy, but I just don't know that I'm quite about that crop length life. Now these joggers have real pockets, functioning pockets, a nice comfortable waistband. The material was very soft. I like these joggers a lot, and I typically don't like joggers. I'm showing you my new arch in my foot there. But anyway, this was really a comfy, cozy outfit. I know I'm not going to keep the top, but I am really debating on keeping these pants. So I was really excited when I saw this set coming because it's by the brand Girlfriend Collective, and all of their items are made from recycled plastic bottles. What I will say is that I hate this color. I look like an uncooked hot dog in this color, but overall I really liked the set, and once I find a color more appropriate for me and go up one size, because I think this was a little small for me. I think that this will be a great set for lounging around or even just throwing a big slouchy sweatshirt over and running errands. So, I hate waterfall cardigans. At least I thought I did until I got this one. I love this cardigan. I love the print. It's so ultra soft, guys. I really thought that this was diggable. Again, you got to try stuff on, because I was dead set against ever trying a waterfall cardigan, and here I am. I decided to tie it in the front a little bit, give it a little extra something, but I thought over this blue tank dress from Universal Standard and my new brown boots that this was a pretty fly look. I'm glad I tried it on. Another surprise hit here, guys. So this is a black dress in a stretch plissé material. It has the knot crossing detail there in the front, which I think works really well with my figure since I am very midsection heavy. I love the sleeves. I'm not the type of person that wants to hide my arms, but some people are. This would be a great dress for you. It is so comfortable. It has an underlining that's a really cheap do-rag material, but it serves its purpose as an underlining. Here's the back of it. I think this would make a beautiful New Year's Eve dress if you're going out on the town. Overall, I am just mind blown at how great this dress is. So if you saw my last Stitch Fix video, you'll recognize this denim vest. This is the way I needed to pair it. So this is about the green dress though from Trunk Club. I love this dress. I love the color. I love the fit. I love the feel. I could wear a pair of high top tennis shoes with this dress. I could wear a pair of heels and a blazer with this dress. It is so versatile. I am in love with this dress. I love this dress. I love this dress. In the words of Yoda, this dress I love. I don't know any other way to say it. I was so happy to get this, and this is probably my favorite piece of the entire box. So ignore the fact that my skirt is twisted. I'm just now seeing that, and it's too late to refilm. This is about the green top. I love this color green. I love bodysuits. This top was both of those, but it had a square neck, and I kept having to pull it up because it was showing the top bits of my bra. The other thing is that it's made of that stretchy rayon polyester material that I don't like the way it feels against my skin. And then the last strike against it is that it was a thong. No worries, I have on my underwear. I tried it over my underwear, but mama don't do thongs. So this was a pass. Nice sweater. Who shot the couch? So this material just reminds me of like a rug or a couch, some type of textile, but it is so soft, so comfortable, so stretchy. I love the color of it. I like it has a kind of a balloon sleeve that gathers at the wrist, but it stretches a lot. I have it on with a pair of my Madewell jeans and a pair of heels. I thought this look was killer, man. I'm telling you. I'm so surprised by this because when I saw it in the preview, I was like, eh, but it turned out to be gorgeous. So I was really looking forward to these pants when I saw them in the preview, and they were incredibly disappointing. These are by Michael Kors. I like the color. They have polka dots on them, which I thought were really cute, but they did not fit well at all. So this was a huge and hard pass. Now we go to this top. I don't know how I'm supposed to really wear this top because no matter how I wear it, you're going to be able to see my bra underneath. It's supposed to be tied to the back, that neck portion of it, which I think is a cute detail. But overall, this top makes me look like I should be working in an 18th century brothel. I don't know what to make of it. Those buttons are really cute though at the wrist, and the material was pretty comfortable, but this just was not a good look. So firm no, unfortunately. So I really want to know, what did you guys think about this trunk? Overall, I liked most of the items. There were some fit issues and some color issues, but overall I think that this was a really good trunk, and I think that Kat did a really good job. I don't know what I'm going to keep at this point because all the things that I would like to keep, it would be much too pricey. But one thing that, you know, is not lost on me is the fact that it seems like the things that I look the most forward to are the biggest disappointments, and the things that I see and I'm like, I cannot believe you sent this to me, end up being my faves. So it's important for you to try on the items. Even if you don't think you're going to like it, go ahead and try it on because you might be pleasantly surprised. I heard another YouTuber named Shauna Jean say, Trunk Club doesn't know how to do casual. And I'm a pretty casual person. This is probably the most casual trunk that I've gotten, and it probably has been my favorite so far. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the prices. Alright, so thank you so much for stopping in today and getting this far in the video. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye!